Good day everyone. Today, I will be separating the components of spiced vinegar. The components being the spices and the vinegar. The separation technique I will be using today is the filtration method. As you can see, I have my filter paper and my filtration equipment.
Pause mo naman.
Voila! I have separated the spices from the vinegar.